Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be teaching you a new intraday trading strategy. Okay, so this strategy can be used in both equity and future, and this is a strategy without any indicator, and this can be used at 12:45 p.m. Okay, so this is a strategy to trade at afternoon, and in this video I'll be telling you how to pick the stock for the strategies and how you can use this strategy. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. I'll be telling you how to pick the stock for this strategy also. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the strategy itself. So I'll be teaching you the strategy, and this strategy is without any indicators, as I said you, and this is having a decent amount of accuracy. So if you guys wish to learn more accurate strategies, you can join my course. Okay, so guys, first I'll tell you how you can pick the stock for this strategy. Okay, so you have to do this at 12:45 p.m. okay, so exactly at 12:45 p.m. you can go to NSE India website. Okay, after going to NSE India website, just come down here, you can see top gainer and top losers. So click on most active stocks, and in this you have to select most active stock by value. So you get two options here, value and volume. So in that you can select most active stock by value, and you can select the stock in this, so whichever stock you're comfortable with. Okay, so this is a stock picking method, and now I'll tell you how to make an entry exit by using this strategy. So for example, let's say we are taking the Kotak Bank, which is in the list here. So Kotak Bank is in the list, so we'll take a Kotak Bank and put 15 minutes candle chart, no indicators needed, just 15 minutes candle chart. Now what you have to do is you have to mark the high and low. Okay, so the high and low of a 12:30 candle. Okay, after completion of 12:30 candle in 15 minutes candle chart. So mark the candle high and mark the candle low. Got it? And now wait for the breakout to happen. If a high side is breaking, take a buy entry, and if the low side is breaking, take a sell side entry. Okay, so that's what you have to trade. So now here, as you guys can see, the low is 1893. okay, 1893 is a low, and once it breaks, you'll take a sell entry. So now, as you guys can see, the short sell got broken, and if you shorted it, it came down. Okay, so you can keep the target up to 0.5% or 1%, and stop loss as half of it. For example, if you're keeping target as 1%, keep the stop loss as 0.5%, and if you're keeping 0.5% as a target, keep 0.5% as a target and stop loss also. Okay, so this is the strategy. Okay, this is very simple, Okay, and now let's check out other stocks. Bajaj Finance. Okay, so this is a Bajaj Finance stocks which is in the list in the most active stock. Okay, so Bajaj Finance, and here the same thing, you will mark the 12:30 candle high and low. So 12:30 candle starts at 12:30 and ends at 12:45, so that's why I said you as 12:45. So at 12:45 just mark the high and low after it's completed. Okay, and now as you guys can see, the high is 4885 and the low is 4856.45, and as you guys can see here again, the low side has got broken and it has touched the target of almost 0.5% easily here. Okay, so now let's come to INFI again. So INFI again, you can go to 12:45. Okay, and mark the high and low of a 12:30 candle, and here again, as you guys can see, the high side was not broken, so low side has got broken, and as you guys can see, the stock all fell all the way down by hitting the target. So it has hit more than 1% here. Okay, and Tata Steel here, so again we'll mark 12:30 candle high and the low, wait for the breakout, and once the breakout happens, take a buy or a sell entry. So here again there is no buy entry here because it didn't break high side, so low side got broke and short sell side, and the target is achieved. Okay, so keep a maximum target of 1%, don't keep above that because there will be a lot of fluctuation in the market, so be safe and exit it at the target and the stop loss. Okay, and one more thing guys, to avoid the fake breakout, you guys can check out the market depth. Okay, so at 12:45 when you are making a entry, just check a market depth, which side the buyers or the sellers are more. For example, if the buyers are more than the sellers, then wait for the buy side to break out, and if the sellers are more and the buyers are less, then wait for the short sell side to take it, and that is the low side to break down, and then you can take a short sell entry. Okay, so wait for the correct breakout to happen. So according to the trend, you can go with it. Okay, if the market is in upper trend, okay, if the market is going very bullish, then wait for the higher side to break out, or if the market is in downtrend, then wait for the short sell try to break out. Okay, so on the previous day, as you can see, this is how the market was performing. Okay, so most of the time the market was down, it was going up and it was again coming down. So this is a Nifty 50 chart what I'm showing you right now. Okay, so this was how it was on that day. Got it? So according to that, you have to take a trade. Okay, so that you will avoid false breakout. Okay, sometimes there will be a false breakout by using this strategy, so to avoid that false breakout, just make sure you take a correct entry according to the trend. Okay, and just check the market depth also, so that you'll get a proper entry to the correct side. Okay, so if the buyers are more, just take a buy side entry, and if the sellers are more, then take a short sell entry. That is, you should wait for the breakout to happen. Got it? So this is a strategy which is without indicators and which is very simple. And if you guys wish to learn more accurate strategy, which are 90 to 95% accurate strategies, and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.